Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Now if you've got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 57, and then we'll get it on a lift and out on a highway as well. Now as you look across the front, you'll notice that the bumper, along with the grille and the rest of the chrome and stainless, all appears to have been replaced at the time of restoration. It'll also give you the opportunity to take a look down the sides, and you can see that they are straight as an arrow. Now as we come around the driver's side, I want you to take the time to look at these gaps here at the doors. You'll notice that it's even and symmetrical from the front all the way to the bottom. Now before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and take a look at the interior. As you come up, you can see it's done in the factory style black and gray color combination, which is a stunning complement to this exterior color scheme. Now as we look across the dash, you'll notice this thing looks like it's brand new off the showroom floor. All of your gauges are in phenomenal condition, along with the stainless and the paint. Now one thing that you will notice is that it has been upgraded with the vintage AC with the air controls here below the dash. As we come on around, you can see that the door panels along with all the stainless accents appear to be brand new, along with the seat covers, carpet, and the headliner. You'll even notice that the factory dome light is working in this car. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. Now as we walk across the back, you can see that we've got the gold accents, which are correct for this car, and that the rear bumper along with the rest of the stainless all appears to have been replaced just like the front. Now as we come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this car is. Now it's done in the two-tone Indian Ivory and Colonial Cream, which is a beautiful color combination from 1957. It's been buffed and polished to this gorgeous shine that you see here, and one of the things I love the most about this restoration is that it's been upgraded with a custom set of 18-inch and 20-inch intro wheels, and you'll notice that they show off the Corvette Z06 brake conversion as well. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As we can see under the hood, she really packs some wow factor. Everything has been detailed to a high level. You've got the billet dress-up kit, along with the polished radiator support and aluminum radiator and dual electric fans. You'll also notice that we got the vintage air front runner kit that offers AC, power steering, and of course you've got the power brakes as well. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 57, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at this frame-off restoration underneath it. Now remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Bel Air around there so that way you can take a look at the bottom and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this 57 on a lift, we can take a closer look at how impressive this frame-off restoration truly is. As you can see, the floors are detailed in the red oxide, and they all appear to be original and rock solid, along with the frame that's detailed in black. Now under the front, you can see that new bushings and ball joints have been installed, and that the 350 engine is mated to the 350 turbo trans that goes out to the 10-bolt posi rear end with around a 355 gear. Now for exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and the turbo style mufflers. One of the most impressive things about this restoration is the four-wheel disc brake conversion that features Z06 calipers here on the corners. Now you'll also see that the gas tank has been replaced along with the fuel and brake lines. Before we get this Bel Air on the highway, let's take one more close look at the floors, braces, and the frame.
for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.